Good afternoon. There was one CEC team that had come for Tiger Reserve. How do you look at this? What is
See,
your
that was a very positive development that Supreme Court एक CEC Centrally Empowered Committee ते आयले to assess on ground what is the situation, take the views of all the stakeholders about the Tiger Reserve, which even the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change have said that there is a Tiger Reserve to be declared. So, हे पळय सरकार आसा लोकल सरकार तांणी अपील फायल केला सुप्रीम कोर्टात त्या खातीर ती CEC आयिल्ली. बट समथींग व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियस इज कमिंग इन द न्यूज. I have just come to know now that one of the CEC members had a private breakfast with a minister. If it is true, it is very sad, very serious, and I think so. I appeal to the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Please inquire, because this is a serious thing. If it is true, अशें सगळ्याक आतां आवाज जाता की there was a private breakfast meeting. CEC team empowered by Supreme Court has to be very independent, sacrosanct, and should not be influenced. हें तर खरें जाल्यार इन्क्वायर करपाचें वो कोण CEC मेंबर दोना भितरलो गेल्लो पळय तो, आनी ही तर फट जाल्यार डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान सांगपाचें की ना अशें जावं ना म्हण. एटलिस्ट हो जो डावट आसा लोकांच्या मनान, इन्क्लुडींग एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट, एटलिस्ट हो क्लियर जातलो.
Captain, will you take this up with the Parliament when you go back there? Are you going to talk about this issue?
If this is true, I will definitely raise in Parliament. Before that, I will write also to the concerned agencies in the center, including the Prime Minister, because Pradhan Mantri parte sangta we have to save the tiger, and Tiger Reserve is to save the tiger. So here tar khare zalyar it is very very sad.
But how can the empowered committee come and have a breakfast with the private minister, private breakfast, when they come to inquire about the Tiger Reserves? You think it is fair enough?
It is unfair. If it is true, it is unfair. It is unethical. It is unethical. हे तर जाला जाल्यार unethical. कित्याक खुबशे कडेन हो आवाज आतां कालच्यान चालू आसा की there was a private breakfast meeting. Was it to influence the CEC member? If it is true, who is at fault? And I will also inquire with some legal experts. If it is true, how to approach the Supreme Court with a complaint, because I am not a party to this. कित्याक हांवें एक प्रश्न विचारलेले लोकसभान आनी मिनिस्टरान स्वता आन्सर केला that they require the Tiger Reserve, and we have been telling the state government of Goa to declare it at the earliest. वो म्हजे कडेन आन्सर आयिल्लो आसा. So if this is the thing, so if somebody tried to influence, then it is a very serious charge. And immediately, if it is true, then that member should recuse himself. From now onwards, he should recuse himself from any further proceedings. ताणे आपणाचो रिपोर्ट दिवपाक जायना.
Captain, you think there is no transparency in whatever findings that they have done, especially after the breakfast? You think there will be any transparency there?
There is a big question mark which has come now. Because CEC team आयिल्ली ताणी सगळ्यांक टायम दिलो. फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टराक टायम दिलो, MLAक टायम दिलो. सो फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर एंड MLA इज द सेम पर्सन. ताका 2 फावट टायम दिलो. One as forest minister, one as MLA. मागीर MLA of Sattari ती काय टायम दिलो डॉक्टर दिव्या राणे, which I felt should not have been, but okay, she has appeared in what capacity we don't know. Maybe she also had people affected. Let us give the benefit of doubt. But सगळ्यांक टायम दितकूच तुमचें काम जालें. काम जातकूच Your official visit is over, go back. If this has happened, if breakfast meeting झाल्या, then it is unethical. There is an element of influencing or attempt to influence. And this is a serious thing. And I think so Dr. Pravan Sawant should inquire and come clean on this. I have trust that the Chief Minister will definitely inquire in this.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.